Happy Monday morning. It's early in the morning. It's like 4:45 and I have to get ready for work. I don't know, it was like a struggle getting up this morning. But I don't know, I want to get ready for work. I'm so tired. Dogs are awake and energized and Dennis is still sleeping and I want to go back to sleep. It's like the worst feeling in the world when you have to get up that early in the morning and like your partner is just still warm and snuggled in the bed and you have to force yourself to get out. Anyways, so let's get this week started.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, a brand new week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video from last week. It's hard to get me and Emily in the same spot at the same time because our work schedules are alternating. So days she has off, I'm at work, and a lot of times on the weekends when I have the full weekend off, if I'm not working Saturdays, she's at work. So we're trying to do a little bit more of getting ourselves together to film or, you know, do that whole thing. So just bear with us. You'll see more of her and I together, and hopefully it'll be awesome. We got a Disney World trip coming up here in a few months. We got the Lion King on Broadway we're going to go do, so there's gonna be some fun stuff. Stick around and enjoy it, and hopefully we'll enjoy it. We're gonna get together, we're gonna do more stuff together. You guys will be able to see us, so it's just really difficult because of our work schedule. But it's a new week, it's a lot cooler, the weather is a lot better today. I love it when it's overcast. Yeah, stay tuned for the week to come, and see ya. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna see if we can get an air horn because I want to prank Emily. She gets me all the time when I'm sitting on the toilet. She'll come in with a Nerf gun and start shooting me in the face, Not today, not today. I hope they have them, We'll check it out. I'll see you in there. Okay, I think I found them. Hope no one sees me filming in here. Look at these. Oh, they have flare gun. I'll shoot a flare at her. Small ones. Yeah, this is definitely it. All right, guys, so we're gonna get one of these. Maybe I'll get two of them. I don't know. Marine air horns. Recommended for boats up to 64 feet. It's probably gonna be loud. Maybe I'll get a flare gun and just shoot her with flares. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I'm walking around the store. I can't forget to say what's up to my favorite sheriff. Okay, so we got the air horn. I think I know what else I'm gonna get the next time I'm online, which will probably be tonight. I got a couple of good ideas. They didn't have anything in the store that I saw that would, you know, be too funny, but we definitely got this bad boy, and the next time she is being mean or a brat or just sleeping, we're gonna get her good. Hopefully this time works. I've been trying all week. I finally got you.
No, you sit. You sit too, young lady. No. Good girl. Xena, sit. Good girl. Jaxie, should we show them your treats? Jaxie, can you shake? Oh, good boy. Jaxie, can you lay? Good boy. Okay, high five. Oh, good boy. Good boy. No more. No more. You're so cute though.
So we're walking around at work, and all of a sudden we come up to these bushes and we start seeing these crazy looking spiders. Right here. There's one there. There's one there. Look at this big guy. There's one right here. Look at this. There's one right here. Jeez. They're everywhere.
For security too.
It's Thursday today, which means it's my Friday, which means I get a 3-day weekend this weekend. So I'm so excited for that. We're about to go out to dinner for our brother-in-law's birthday, and we're gonna go to a barbecue place. I'm hoping it's good. It's the first time we've been, but they've gone a few times. So I'm just waiting for Dennis to come back out because we drove like 10 minutes and then realized that we forgot the birthday gift. So we just drove back, he's picking it up, and then we're gonna head out. I'll let you know how it is.
And we're all done with the birthday party. It was fun.
I liked it. That food was so good.
Food was good.
We had fun.
We had fun, I guess. My sister was hammered.
She was not hammered.
She was
tipsy,
too
though.
hammered.
She was tipsy.
Well, she wasn't. She was hammered.
She's a grown woman. She can do what she wants.
Drunk off her butt. Anyways, we're on our way home. So, just wanted to check in, let you guys know.
My chicken, some spinach. We're gonna go collect the eggs. They went outside roaming, so my favorite part. No, you stay. This is my favorite part. Hi, chickies. Hi, chickies. Good morning. Hi, babies. Hi, chickies. Good morning. You guys hungry? Come on. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for some breakfast? Come on, ladies. Look at all of them. Come on, my baby.
And we're off to go to, where are we going? Buffalo Wild Wings for a little date night.
It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna get some drinks.
What kind of drinks?
I don't know. Maybe like a tequila sunrise or something.
I see in the car. And we're back in the car. In traffic. Not traffic, really. They're widening this road and it's a nightmare and it sucks. Oh my gosh.
They shut down the lane, so now it's just one lane. So if you're trying to make a left onto this road,
Good luck.
it ends up taking you 15 minutes, and then the line ends up backed up because no one can go straight because you're trying to make a left. So it's like all of these lights on this road is ridiculous. So we end up having to go through all of the back roads, which I mean for me isn't that bad because it is actually like a shortcut to my job. So for me, like, that's no problem. But I feel like you have to end up like cutting off all these cars to try and make a left-hand turn onto one of these streets. It's such a pain in the butt, and I'll be so happy when they finally get this stuff done.
And we made it. Look at the new menus.
It's been like that for a long time.
I've never seen them. New menus. We made it to Buffalo Wild Wings. And my bae looks beautiful. Beautiful. Using the phone, our camera died. So, check it out, everybody. Everybody. Probably get in trouble.
Don't be filming me.
So we just got done at Buffalo Wild Wings, and while we were there, after we had just filmed the last clip, there was a gentleman, and he was our server, and for some reason I'm like, he looks so familiar, and I was like, for some reason, like in a good way, like I kept thinking like it was so, like his service was so good, and I just couldn't figure it out. And finally I was like, Applebee's. We had gone to Applebee's like a couple months ago. I think it was like Memorial Day weekend, because remember they were out of everything. And he was so nice and so kind, and he was like on it. And I remember like remembering his face, but this time we were in Buffalo Wild Wings, and Dennis was like, I'm gonna ask him. So he asked him, and he was like, yeah, I used to work there. I knew I recognized you from somewhere.
And he recognized us.
And he recognized us. He is like the best server ever. Like, because like he's on top of it, he's personable, like he's always asking like, are you doing okay? But then he's always like,
he doesn't hover either. He has like that perfect median.
yeah, and like he doesn't always ask. Like, he'll just turn, like you'll see him come by,
Check. Thumbs
and
up.
check thumbs up, just like double checking, like, okay, you're good, okay, and then keeps going. Your cup's empty. Like, he's awesome. So I'm so happy he's at Buffalo Wild Wings. We won't be going to Applebee's anymore. He told us some not so good stuff. So we're boycotting Applebee's now, and Buffalo Wild Wings is gonna be our thing.
Unless Chili's comes here, then we're going to Chili's.
Oh, we love Chili's. All right, we're going to Sam's Club. We haven't been to Sam's Club in God knows how long, and yet we have a card here, and we never come. So we're paying for it. We're gonna go look to see what they've got. All right.
Man, swallow that! God damn! Oh! I was yawning right when you did that! Oh! That's why I didn't yell away! God! Why did you do that?
That's for you trying to get me with the air horn.
We're gonna pressure wash this house, clean it up. It's gonna look awesome. Stay tuned for that. Well, that's it for our weekly video, you guys. Stay tuned for next week's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Anything you guys want to see. We'll start going out and doing some stuff like Patton Museum, the caves, maybe Lincoln's birthplace. There's a bunch of stuff to do out here. So we can even check out some, what are they called? Refineries? Stills for the alcohol, wherever it's made. Yeah, there's a bunch of that stuff out. Enjoyed our, I don't know, fun week, boring week. It's always boring to me, huh? Stay tuned for next week's video. That's it for us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.